What up, everyone? Welcome back to another great video. In this one, we had a great idea of buying the eBay turbo kit for my E36. It didn't go to plan, but sit back, whatever, like, subscribe, enjoy this amazing video with this trial and error of the turbo kit, but we'll make it work.
I remember I went to Louis V with half. Watch them spread $10,000 on the glass.
Damn, why is it running so good? I like doing to all my E36s is taking these old crusty ones and putting in these newer beautiful ones. You know what I'm saying? So I already got all the bulbs and everything in it. So now all I gotta do one side went on very nicely and the other one doesn't. But I think this makes the rear end look 1,000 times better. Our first order off of eBay has been confirmed. As you guys can see, the lighting's kind of gay. But as you guys can see, we made our first eBay order, which was the turbo kit, and it was like $2,000, and it came with all the stuff. So we were like, oh, it should be all right. But as you guys might have guessed, it wasn't all right. And yeah, you'll see now. So just be ready for that. It doesn't fit. Me and David are about to tweak out. So
I'm gonna tweak out if you don't give me that bulb.
1 second. eBay turbo kit's here, and that not fitting. We made it fit on the bottom, but like,
Where's my top now?
we're gonna. I wanted to do. Looks good. Yeah. Yeah, that thing looks good. And we got a custom fab it. Oh my gosh.
Try it. I can't even fit it in there. But listen.
Well, then the turbo won't fit.
Listen. David the magician. It's in the butt.
Stock M52.
Big single.
Beautiful. What up, everyone? Today you're gonna watch me struggle struts with smaller springs, so it's gonna lower the car by like 2 inches. I'm about to do that right now. Nah. Ooh, let's not do that. This is what holds the suspension in, and these 2 bolts, and then 3 bolts at the top. So I'm gonna go do those bolts at the top now. Oh. Boom. Sponsor me, eBay. Now that that's taken care of, this is the real kit. But this one won't be installed until next video, so